Welcome to INR Auto. The 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross is more than just another compact SUV. It's a smart evolution of the beloved Corolla sedan, blending the reliability, efficiency, and affordability that the Corolla is known for with the added versatility of an SUV. If you're seeking more space, a higher driving position, and the option for all-wheel drive without stretching your budget, the Corolla Cross is built to check all the boxes. Ideal for commuters, small families, and anyone craving extra utility without compromising on practicality, this SUV delivers in all the right areas. Driving the Corolla Cross is a breeze, thanks to its smooth, relaxed handling. The steering and braking systems are tuned for comfort, making it perfect for city driving or casual road trips. However, if you're after a more dynamic drive, the Corolla Cross might feel a bit subdued compared to its livelier competitors. The suspension is designed to absorb bumps effectively, though on rougher roads, it can feel a bit soft. Road noise becomes noticeable at higher speeds, and while the climate control fan can be loud at full power, the air conditioning does a stellar job of keeping the cabin cool, with rear seat vents adding extra comfort for passengers. Powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 169 horsepower, the Corolla Cross isn't built for speed, but it handles everyday tasks effortlessly. The all-wheel drive version clocks in at 9.6 seconds for the 0 to 60 mile/hour sprint, which isn't quick, but more than adequate for daily city driving. While highway passing requires some planning, the ride remains smooth and controlled. Helpful connected features like remote start and vehicle location are available. One of the Corolla Cross's strongest suits is its cargo space. With 20.2 cubic feet behind the rear seats, the Corolla Cross focuses on simplicity and functionality. The cabin feels spacious, though rear legroom is slightly tighter than some rivals. The elevated driving position is a standout feature, and the 8-inch touchscreen offers modern, crisp visuals, though with occasional lag. Thanks for watching INR Auto. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.